Chapter 1. Who is Elon Musk? Elon Musk is a very famous person. He is an inventor and a businessman. He is the leader of several companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and others. Elon Musk was born in South Africa in 1971. He grew up with a love for learning, especially about computers and technology. He moved to Canada when he was young to study, and later went to the United States to study more. He is known for creating electric cars with his company, Tesla. He also started SpaceX, a company that makes rockets to send people and things into space. Elon has big dreams to make life on other planets, like Mars. Many people admire Elon Musk for his smart ideas. But some people don't always agree with him because of his strong opinions and actions. Still, he is one of the most important and interesting people in the world today. In this video, we will learn more about Elon Musk's life and what he has done to change the world. Chapter 2. Early Life. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. His mother was from Canada, and his father was from South Africa. Elon had two siblings, a brother named Kimball and a sister named Tosca. When he was a child, Elon loved to read books. He was always curious and wanted to learn about many things, especially computers. At the age of 9, he taught himself how to program and even created a small video game. He sold it for around $500. Elon's parents got divorced when he was young, and he lived with his father for a time. He didn't get along very well with his father, and he later chose to live with his mother. At age 17, Elon moved to Canada to study at Queen's University. He did this because he wanted to have more opportunities in life. After 2 years, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States. There, he studied 2 subjects, physics and economics. Elon's love for technology and learning stayed with him as he grew up. His early life helped him become the ambitious and creative person he is today. Sunidadin. Chapter 3. First Businesses. ChatGPT. Chapter 3. First Businesses. Elon Musk started his first business when he was still a student. It was called Zip2. Zip2 was a company that helped newspapers put their information on the internet. Elon and his brother Kimball worked hard on this idea, and they made it a success. In 1999, they sold Zip2 to a company called Compaq for $307 million. Elon made $22 million from the sale. After Zip2, Elon wanted to start something even bigger. In 1999, he founded a new company called X.com. X.com was an online payment company which was new at that time. Later, X.com became PayPal, and it became one of the most famous online payment services. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion in stock. Elon made a lot of money from this sale, too. These early businesses were important for Elon. They helped him learn about business, technology, and how to make ideas into real companies. The money he earned from these businesses also helped him start his bigger projects, like Tesla and SpaceX. Chapter 3. First Businesses. Elon Musk started his first business when he was still a student. It was called Zip2. Zip2 was a company that helped newspapers put their information on the internet. Elon and his brother Kimball worked hard on this idea, and they made it a success. In 1999, they sold Zip2 to a company called Compaq for $307 million. Elon made $22 million from the sale. After Zip2, Elon wanted to start something even bigger. In 1999, he founded a new company called X.com. X.com was an online payment company, which was new at that time. Later, X.com became PayPal, and it became one of the most famous online payment services. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion in stock. Elon made a lot of money from this sale, too. These early businesses were important for Elon. They helped him learn about business, technology, and how to make ideas into real companies. The money he earned from these businesses also helped him start his bigger projects like Tesla and SpaceX. Chapter 4. Tesla. Elon Musk joined Tesla in 2004, but he did not start the company. The company was started by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. However, Elon Musk became the main leader and the person who changed Tesla into a big company. Elon had a big goal. He wanted to make electric cars that were better than regular cars. People used to think electric cars were not as good as cars with gasoline engines. But Elon believed that electric cars could be powerful, beautiful, and fun to drive. In 2008, Tesla introduced the Tesla Roadster, the first electric car with a long-range battery. It was very different from other cars and many people liked it. But the company had many problems. It was hard to make enough cars, and the company almost ran out of money. But Elon didn't give up. In 2012, Tesla released a new car called the Model S. The Model S became very popular because it was fast, safe, and had a long battery life. It showed the world that electric cars could be amazing. Later, Tesla introduced other models, like the Model X, an electric SUV, and the Model 3, a cheaper electric car for more people. Today, Tesla is one of the most valuable car companies in the world. Elon Musk's work with Tesla has changed the way we think about cars. He has shown that electric cars are the future, and he continues to push for new technology to make them better. Chapter 5. SpaceX. In 2002, Elon Musk started a company called SpaceX. His big dream was to make space travel cheaper and easier. He believed that one day, humans could live on other planets, like Mars. At first, SpaceX had many problems. The first 3 rockets SpaceX made, called Falcon 1, failed. But Elon did not give up. He used his own money to keep the company going and try again. In 2008, SpaceX's Falcon 1 rocket finally successfully reached space. This was a huge moment because it was the first privately funded rocket to do this. SpaceX then created the Falcon 9 rocket. It was better, stronger, and cheaper. The Falcon 9 rocket became the first rocket to return to Earth and be used again. This is very important because most rockets are thrown away after one use. With reusable rockets, SpaceX could save money and send more things into space. In 2012, SpaceX made history again. The Dragon spacecraft became the first private spacecraft to reach the International Space Station, ISS. It carried cargo to astronauts working in space. This was another big achievement for SpaceX and showed that private companies could do things that used to be only for governments. Today, SpaceX is working on the Starship rocket, which Elon Musk hopes will take people to Mars one day. His goal is to make life on other planets possible and to make space travel a normal thing for humans. Through SpaceX, Elon Musk is changing the way we think about space and how we can reach the stars. Chapter 6. SolarCity. In 2006, Elon Musk helped start a company called SolarCity with his cousins Lyndon and Peter Rive. SolarCity's goal was to make solar energy easier and cheaper for people to use. Solar energy comes from the sun, and it is a clean, renewable source of power. Elon believed that solar energy could help the world reduce the use of dirty fuels like oil and coal, which harm the environment. He wanted more people to use solar energy to power their homes and businesses. SolarCity worked by installing solar panels on people's roofs. These panels would catch the sun's energy and turn it into electricity. Over time, people could save money on their electricity bills. In 2016, Tesla bought SolarCity. This was part of Elon's plan to make a full clean energy system. With both Tesla and SolarCity, Elon wanted to help people use solar energy to charge their electric cars and power their homes. Today, SolarCity is part of Tesla, and the company continues to work on making solar energy more popular and affordable for everyone. Elon Musk's dream of a cleaner, more sustainable world is becoming a reality through his work with SolarCity and Tesla. Chapter 7. The Boring Company. In 2016, Elon Musk started a new company called The Boring Company. The company's name is funny, but the idea behind it is very serious. Elon wanted to solve a big problem: traffic. In many cities, people spend a lot of time stuck in traffic. Elon thought it would be better if cars could travel underground in tunnels. So, The Boring Company works on building these tunnels to help people travel faster and avoid traffic. The company's first big project was to build a tunnel in Los Angeles. This tunnel would help people travel from one place to another very quickly. The idea is to make high-speed transportation for cars, buses, and even electric vehicles that move through tunnels called loop. The Boring Company also works on another idea called Hyperloop, which is a fast transportation system that uses tubes and can move people very quickly from one city to another. Elon believes that these new systems will change how we travel in the future, making it faster and easier for everyone. The Boring Company is still working on many projects, but Elon Musk's dream of fixing traffic problems is starting to come true, one tunnel at a time. Chapter 8. Neuralink. In 2016, Elon Musk started a company called Neuralink. This company has a very big and interesting goal: to connect the human brain to computers. Elon believes that in the future, computers and machines could help us do more things with our brains. For example, people who are sick or have brain problems could use this technology to improve their health. Neuralink is working on small, special chips that can be placed in the brain. These chips can help the brain communicate with computers, making it possible to control devices with thoughts. Elon thinks that one day, people will be able to use this technology to talk to machines, improve their memory, or even control things with their minds. Neuralink has already tested its technology on animals. In 2020, the company showed a pig that had a Neuralink chip in its brain. The chip helped doctors see the pig's brain activity. Then, in 2021, they showed a monkey playing a video game using only its mind. Elon Musk believes that Neuralink can help many people, especially those with disabilities, like people who cannot move or speak. In the future, this technology could change how we live and think, making the human brain and computers work together in new ways. Chapter 9. Elon's personal life. Elon Musk is not only known for his companies, but also for his personal life, which has been in the news many times. He has been married several times and has children from his relationships. Elon was married to Justine Musk, and they had 5 children together. They later got divorced. After that, Elon married Tallulah Riley, but they also got divorced twice. In 2018, Elon had a relationship with Grimes, a famous musician. Together, they have a son named XAEA12, later changed to XAE812 to follow California rules for names. Elon is very busy with his work, but he also likes to share his thoughts on social media, especially Twitter. Sometimes his tweets are funny, but they can also be very controversial. Many people follow him on social media because of his bold ideas and strong opinions. Although Elon's personal life is often in the news, he tries to focus on his companies and the big goals he has for the future. He wants to make the world better with electric cars, space travel, and clean energy. Despite his busy schedule, Elon still cares a lot about his children and has mentioned how much he enjoys spending time with them. Elon Musk's personal life shows that he is not just a businessman, but also a father, a thinker, and someone who wants to make big changes in the world. Chapter 10. What will Elon do next? Elon Musk has already done many amazing things, but he isn't stopping. He has big plans for the future, and he wants to continue changing the world. One of Elon's biggest dreams is to send people to Mars. He believes that humans can live on other planets, and he wants to make this happen. SpaceX is working on a rocket called Starship that will take people to Mars. Elon wants to make life on Mars a reality, and he hopes to build a city there one day. In addition to space travel, Elon is also focused on making the world more sustainable. With Tesla, he is working on electric cars and clean energy. He believes that we need to use solar energy and electric cars to fight climate change. He also wants to help more people use clean energy in their homes and businesses. Elon is also working on new technologies like Neuralink, which connects the brain to computers. He believes this could help people with brain problems and also make humans smarter in the future. Finally, Elon continues to work on the Boring Company, which aims to fix traffic by building tunnels under cities. This could make travel much faster and easier for people. Elon Musk has many goals for the future, and he is determined to make them happen. He believes that with hard work, new technology, and big ideas, we can create a better world and reach new frontiers, both on Earth and in space. What do you think Elon will do next? The future is full of possibilities. Thanks for watching the video.